What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the middle of the night here, but I just want to work on the bike, make some content for you guys. So I got the Ninja ZX6R in the garage right now. We're going to put on some swing arm swivel sliders that are anodized green, and I want to show you guys exactly what they look like, how to put them on, and how to use it with my new motorcycle lift stand. So let's get going. If you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe, tap the bell, give me a thumbs up, and comment below what do you guys think of the videos. So let me show you guys the product I'm talking about and how to install it. If you guys like it, I will put the link in the information box below so you guys can pick up some for yourself. Be sure to check out my gaming channel, Acrylics with a 1, Acrylics the one and only, on Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube, and all socials, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to check out my new website, acrylics.com with a 1 right there on the screen. It's going to have an exclusive section for Driveway Demons merchandise, so be sure to check that out. Let's get going on the video, guys. Let me show you exactly what we're doing.
These are the MOA swing arm sliders, or swivel sliders, and these go in the swing arm to allow you to lift the bike with a motorcycle lift stand. So we're going to open these up. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to install them, and then I'll show you guys the jack stand or the motorcycle stand I have. Okay guys, in order to assemble these, you're going to place this end right here towards the bike. So we're going to lay that down. We're going to go ahead and take this black washer, put the flat portion down on top, and we're going to take the top flat portion, goes down inside, and there you have it. This is how it's supposed to be set up, just like that. So here's the spot on the swing arm that you're going to install this, and we're going to put it right here. It is an M8 or 8mm. That is the size. And we're gonna get an Allen key or a hex key and tighten that down. Just position it so that the Ninja is pointed up. Perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. So the fit and finish of these swivel sliders for the swing arm is very good. They're really nice anodized touch. I have a KRT edition 636 or ZX6R, so I have to use the green because it shows it off a little bit. It kind of blends in with the green theme going on. If you have a black motorcycle, you can just use the black anodized, or if you have a different color, you could match it like that. You can use any color you want. The quality of these pieces is very good. Right, you can see up close, it looks fantastic, and when I come away from the bike, you can see how awesome it looks. If I come back here just a little bit, you can see what it looks like on the swing arm. It is a really nice touch. So you guys can see the swivels are pretty high quality. They're just wearing off a little bit where the jack fork is meeting inside of the swivel lock. These are not the best quality swing arm swivel sliders that I've seen, but they are of good quality, especially the money. If you're going to dig in your stand, it's going to scratch a little bit, but for the most part, it is very high quality. So we got the swivel swing arm sliders installed. We got the jack lift stand ready to go. We just gotta straighten the bike out because it's on the kickstand. This way we can get the fork underneath the swivel swing arm. You wanna make sure to slide the jack in between this portion right here. This longer portion of the fork is going to go over here in between this section right there. We're gonna straighten the bike out. Do not kick the kickstand back. Leave the kickstand extended. This way, if you drop the bike or it leans, it'll land on the kickstand and not on the ground. Place it under just like that, and you do the same for both sides. Once the bike is straight, that'll be very easy. The key here is when you place your arm all the way down against the lift stand, you'll see here, once you get this lift stand in place, and you go to push down with your hand right here, you'll see the bike isn't going anywhere. As I start to let go, you see how the bike starts to lean, but as soon as you push back, it straightens itself out. It's not gonna go anywhere because of the inertia and the balance, or you could say the leverage of this lift stand. So now we just push down, it'll lift the bike up and the wheels will go towards the front. There we go. The bike is now on the lift stand. It's a really easy task to do this, and it may seem daunting or difficult, but trust me, once you slide these forks into the swivel swing arm sliders in between here, once both sides are in place and you start to push back and you just make connection on both sides, it will straighten the bike out and it won't go anywhere. I just recommend leaving the kickstand down because typically you're going to be leaning it slightly towards the center, and if anything happens and you let go of this jack, it's going to lean back to where the jack stand was because we're not straightening it out all the way, we're just kind of leaning it up a little bit. So if something goes wrong here, it's naturally going to lean to the kickstand, and if you have the kickstand still down, then you don't got to worry about dropping your bike. So you can see the quality of these swivel sliders is really good. There's an up close look for you guys right there. Everything's sitting very neatly. I'm gonna wiggle the motorcycle back and forth. You see there's not much play, a little bit, but not much. Very sturdy.
Well, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed it. If you guys wanna get yourself a pair of these swing arm swivel sliders, I will put the link in the information box below. Be sure to subscribe, tap the bell, give me a like, and comment on this video and let me know what you think. We'll see you guys in the next upload or live stream. Thank you so much for stopping in. Peace.